Hey everyone, this is Alexander from hipsterchimp.com. Uh, Today I want to talk to you about Git. I'm not a Git expert, but I would like to become more, aware of what Git can do, how to use it better. I use it at work, but I don't find that I actually really know what I'm doing with it that well. So I thought, why not make some tutorials? I'll record them and I'll learn, and you can learn right alongside with me. So this tutorial is called Git 101 dash, I don't know, 0.1, because this is the absolute beginning. So that's what we'll call it. I'm going to expect that you have already installed Git and you have done the initial setup and configurations. There's lots of resources out on the web to get you up and going with that. Just Google it. So we're going to start with setting up a local Git repository. So let's go ahead and open up your terminal and let's do this. We're going to, I don't think I have a folder. Let's make a folder to do this work, and we're going to call it Git demo. And we should now have that in there. Oh, we do. Good. Let's go inside there. And all right, we have an empty folder. To set up a Git repository, simple enough. Just do a git space init. There we go. We now have a Git repository. Still empty except for the .git folder, which just has some a config file and probably a lot of other stuff that's important that I don't know much about. But there it is. We still have no files inside of this folder to track though. So if we do a git status, we can see that on branch master, initial commit, nothing to commit. There's no files in here. So let's create some files. Let's touch a, readme.doc. And now if we do a git status, there we go, untracked files. It's telling us we need to add some files. All right, well, let's add it. The way I like to add files is to do a git space add space dash a, which will add all of the untracked files that are in the folder that you are currently in and all of its children. So let's do that. Git add dash a. There we go. Git status now. You're going to be typing git status a lot now. There it is. No, it's not telling us to add. Now we need to commit. This will be committing it to our repository. So let's do a commit. Simple enough. Let's do a commit git space commit dash m quote. This is where you type a little message for yourself in the future when you want to maybe come back to this this commit, and maybe you want to turn your files back to how they were at this time. This message is going to help you know what happened here. So all we did was we created a readme.doc. Close quote. Git status. And there we go. Nothing to commit. Working directory clean. All right. Well, that makes sense so far, I think. Let's create another file. Let's call let's touch touchme.doc. Touchme.doc. And get status. Okay, we have a new file. Let's git add git m added a touchme file. Boom, git status. Nothing to commit. Working directory clean. If we check our folder, we have the readme.doc and the touchme.doc. Perfect. So our branch master is fully up to date. There's no file changes. There's no new files that need or should be committed to this repository. So let's see. Let's say instead of creating a new file in this folder that we want to keep revisions of we made a change to one of these files. Right now, both of these files are in fact empty. So let's edit one of these. Nano, let's do the touchme.doc. There we go. This is where I like to type things that are what? They're sexy. All right, let's save that. Yeah. There we go. And you, of course, could be adding. You could be creating you could be creating the folder and the files not inside the terminal, but inside of your browser or your operating system and the GUI interface, and putting them inside your repository folder, as well as doing it in here. I'm just doing this to save time. So we've made a change to the touchme.doc. Let's do a git status, and there we go. So now that we've made a change, it says we've modified the touchme.doc. Okay, cool. I guess, you know what? I could go ahead and add that and commit it just the same as I did when they were new files, but I actually don't like this change that I made. I don't think that it's something that I want to keep. It's not beneficial to me. So instead of doing a git add and a git commit, let's check this out. Let's check this modified instance of this file out. And that's easy. We're going to do a git checkout. And since we're right now in the same folder that this file is in, we don't have to write the path to the file. The path of the file is just the name of the file, since we're in this folder as well. So touchme.doc, git checkout touchme.doc, enter, and now there, nothing is untracked anymore. Git status. We are on branch master, nothing commit, working directory clean. Okay, well, I think that was good enough for tutorial 101-0. Whatever the hell I freaking called it, 0-0.1. So that's how to set up a Git repository, and a little bit of adding, committing files, and checking out files. I hope to get into some deeper stuff in our next tutorial, so I'll see you next time at Git 101-0.2.